News Aba, there is news and there is gist. Hey, today there is a good news. Today there is a happy news. Today there is a news that calls for celebration. Mepacho, you don't want to miss this good news. You don't want to miss this happy news. You don't want to miss this very, 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 very hot news. Hello, gist partners. News Aba, news Aba. There is news and there is gist. I said today there is a good news, there is a happy news, there is a wonderful news, there is a news that call for celebration. Yes, we for celebrate. Anytime something good happen, you for what? You for celebrate. But before we jump into this good news, happy news, celebrating news, and all, please, if you know you're not following my other channel, sound this joyful space. Me pacho, you dey miss well. Hey, you are missing on all the fun things going on there. Hey, please do check it out. Thank you very much. I would just advise you to please watch this news to the end, because today's news, you just have to hear it. You just have to what? Hear it. Let's just jump right into the news as it dey hot. I'm proud of free SHS. 2020 and 2021 WASSCE results proof policy is working, says President Akufo-Addo. Oh, maybe I did not say it well. I did not think I say it well. Let me go again. I'm proud of free SHS. 2020 and 2021 WASSCE results proof policy is working, says President Akufo-Addo. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? He's what? He's proud. When you do something and you see that the result, the outcome is good, you for proud where why won't you be proud? No. Why would you be proud? You for proud well. So guys, let's just continue so that we hear the juicy details. Why is the president proud? Let's hear it. President Nana Akufo-Addo has expressed utmost satisfaction with the free senior high school policy introduced by his administration in September 2017 that is currently guaranteeing a minimum of senior high school education for all of Ghana's children. According to President Akufo-Addo, 5 years on following the implementation of the free SHS program, which has guaranteed a minimum of SHS education for 1.6 million students, I want to state without any equivocation that I am very proud of the policy and of its results thus far. Speaking at the 70th anniversary celebration, the president stressed that the experiences of developed nations have shown that the most efficient way to create a society of opportunities and thereby guarantee the future of a nation is by investing in education and skills training of the youths. Without an education populace, he stated that Ghana cannot transition from the status of a developing to a developed nation, adding that it's the people of Ghana, Ghanaians like you and I, and especially the youth of today, who are going to build Ghana. The results of the 2020 and 2021 WASSCE results, the president stated, give further evidence of why the free SHS policy has been a success so far. There were some who described free SHS as a waste. Some said it would destroy our Ivy League schools, and some indicated that the policy was going to compromise the quality of senior high school education. None of these have happened, and I am sure they have eggs on their faces now, or should have, Akufo-Addo stated. He continued, the 2021 WASSCE results of the second batch of the Akufo-Addo graduates shows 54.08% of students recording A1 to C6 in English, as opposed to 51.6% in 2016, 65.70% recording A1 to C6 in integrated science in 2021, as opposed to 48.35% in 2016, 54.11% recording A1 to C6 in mathematics, as compared to the 3.12% in 2016, and 66.03% recording A1 to C6 in social studies, as compared to 54.55% in 2016. Lest we forget, the 2021 batch of students were the pioneers of the double track system, which elicited a lot of edification and unfounded criticism on its introduction. Another indication of the value of the free SHS policy is stated is the dramatic increase in the percentage of students from Tamasco who have qualified to attend university. In 2015, it was 29.2%. In 2016, it was 31.4%. In 2017, it was 34.7%. In 2018, it was 31.3%. In 2019, it was 46.3%, and in 2021, it was 45.8%. Surely, chairperson, there can no longer be any controversy about the validity of the free SHS policy and its consequential measures. It is working, he said. The president thus appealed to all Ghanaians to forgo partisan, parochial considerations which confer little benefit, and all agree that free SHS has to be a part of our national educational architecture for at least a generation, if not forever. Our nation will clearly be empowered and enriched. Ghana for news, like the news is plenty. But anyway, we're going to stop here. We have gotten the details. President Akufo-Addo is proud that the free SHS policy is working. Like, you can see the result. You can see the outcome. The students are doing better in the WASSCE result. Why won't it be better when parents and children cannot relax their brain? They're no longer stressed of, oh, when will I pay school fees? Oh, go home and remind your parents to pay your school fees. This and that, that and this. School fees here, school fees there, school fees this, school fees that. School fees. The children cannot concentrate, but now they can better concentrate with this free SHS policy, and we are sure that this has brought a positive effect change on the children, on their WASSCE results, and a lot more. Guys, I'm just excited about the news because, as the president stated, there were some people who were against it. Hey, how can you say free SHS? It's not going to work. How can you say that? How will it be possible? It's going to destroy the already Ivy League schools and this and that and this. But President Akufo-Addo saw the vision. He said what he has studied from the European countries is that they invest a lot on education and on training their youth, and this has helped their country, and that is what he has brought to Ghana. That is why he put in the free SHS policy, and he closed his ears to any naysayers because he knows that this is going to be beneficial to the people, to the country at large in the near future. And that is why he's also doing the 1D1F program, to be able to equip the youth, provide job opportunity for them. Most of them are going through trainings in these factories. They are gaining knowledge, they are gaining experience. Like, guys, if you're in Ghana right now, you don't have any excuse. You have free SHS. At least your SHS education is sure. All you have to do is just prepare yourself, go to school. Everything is free. Guys, I'm excited about the news. I'm happy that the policy is working. I'm happy that things are going smoothly. Like, guys, I'm excited. So, guys, as I heard this news, I say I have to bring it to you guys. Like, you guys should be proud of yourself. You all should be proud of yourself, including me. I am proud of you guys. So, guys, if you have watched to this point, I say thank you. And if you're on this channel, you have not yet subscribed, hey, I am begging you, me patcho, help me hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Let it do background so that anytime I post any news like this, any gist like this, you'll be the first to know. Nobody will tell you. You will hear with your ears. You will see with your eyes that news are bad. There is news and there is gist. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. God bless you all, and see you all in my next video.